Hello viewers, welcome to this day 1 of Excel-VBA training. I am Sujoy, the creator of Zato Code and the founder of Verbian Technologies Private Limited. I have 15 years of programming experience and I have worked with many multinational companies such as TCS, Infosys, NEC, HCL Systems Technologies, MSCI, Deutsche Bank and few other companies. A piece of advice: if you want to learn Excel-VBA, learn it from someone who has practical experience of Excel-VBA development. And I have a lot of it. So throughout my 15 years of professional career, I have worked with mostly Excel VBA development, SQL Server, C#, ASP.NET Core, Oracle, Angular, and few other technologies. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to press Alt function 11 or F11. So once you do it, it will take you to the VBA code editor window. If Alt F11 does not work, then try Alt function F11. So this might be a typical case of some keyboard configuration in your laptop or in your PC. And if that is the case, I would recommend that you need to make some changes in your settings. You need to disable the action keys mode. And how you do that? So once you restart your PC or your laptop, so continuously keep on pressing F2 or F10 based upon your laptop configuration. So mostly it will be either F2 or F10. And once you keep on pressing, so it will take you to the BIOS window. And in the BIOS window, you need to go to the system configuration. And from there, you need to disable the action keys mode. So I'll leave a link in the description, a YouTube video link. So from where you can try this. So it is very important that the Alt F11 key works without the need of the function key. So another thing you need to do is you need to go to File, Option and Customize Ribbon. And from there you need to ensure that this developer option is checked. So this will appear as a menu on the menu bar. So from here also you can go to the Visual Basic window. So this is the first step that you need to do. Another thing you might need to do is you need to go to Options, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings, and you need to ensure that any of the three options are checked. So if it is like disable VBA macros without notification, you need to change it to disable VBA macros with notifications. So that's all for today. So subscribe to the channel to get more updates on new videos.